All right, good afternoon, traders, and welcome back. I'm back from my summer vacation, and we are back with our live scalping session on Thursday. Today it's just me and Dmytro. Hey, Dmytro, how it's going
Yeah,
there?
hello Rafa. Going very good, very well. Yeah, it's been a while, yeah, since our last scalping session. So yeah, we need to get some profit, I think.
Yeah. 2 weeks from the last live. I see the green crypto guy is with us. Let's go. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
welcome.
go. Golden Mindag Halemal.
I
I'm not
think it's
sure
in
if I
Dutch. Yeah.
I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but who cares? Yeah. Hello. Let's go to RTA scanner and try to make some interesting trades. So the crypto market has been uh, pretty sleepy this August. If we see Bitcoin chart, basically the price has stuck in the same range since June. So it has been almost 2 months and a half. So there isn't much going on for traders. But as traders, we do not sleep even on summer holiday. And with
Yeah.
the TA scanner, we don't care because we always find opportunities to trade. Right, Dimitro?
Yeah, that's true. Because yeah, actually really Bitcoin is still stuck in it like same range, yeah. Nothing changed like overall. I mean we still at 60 between 60 65k,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Yeah.
we
So
are
there
spending a
is.
lot of time there in this range, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's quite struggling to trade it these days. I
Hmm.
suggest not financial advice, just my personal experience and my personal suggestion in this time. If you like, guys, use gridbot that performs quite nicely during this trading range. Otherwise, just search some good chart by T-scanner as we are doing right now. So let's dive into the live and let's add some indicators. The Bollinger Bands, some volume maybe, uh, some RSI, and volume profile. So, of course, we are keep using the same strategy. Actually, three strategies I have activated. No, visible range. Let me just switch to the 200. All right.
Rafa, question from Green Crypto Guy: are you guys using AI integration to find grid bot opportunities?
Yeah. I use, but basically it doesn't change that much from our default tools that we have here.
Yeah.
Because if you use AI, basically you just skip these setting parts and you just can ask straight to your LLM to analyze, I don't know, the order flow, the price action, whatever you want, and then you set your parameters, your filters, and so on. And then you, of course, you can create or find your personal grid. But I just prefer to use the Altrady presets that actually work and perform very well, or I just can create my own one on the bot page, and just set the upper price, the lower price, the number of the orders numbers, like 5 to 10, and just let it go for some weeks. Actually, I have one on Ethereum that is performing quite well in the past 1 month and 2 weeks. It's getting me like almost 6% of PNL.
Wow.
That is not bad. Yeah.
It's good.
Uh, yeah, that's why I said earlier. I know that it's a bit frustrating this period of trading, guys. But with great bots, you can solve these struggles. So that's why I'm using that, and it's working. So the standard student already perform good in comparison with you. Yeah, totally. I prefer using the already Altrady presets bot. But if you want to maybe like um, have some technical analysis or some more like in deep analysis, you can use your LLM, your cloud code, your codex, whatever you want, just to get an overview about the price action, about I don't know, maybe some exhaustion or absorption zones, some demand and supply zones, stuff like that, to have a deeper understanding of the chart. But to just create the bot use Altrady preset, it's more convenient.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. LLM is for in-depth information. Yeah, I mean personally, I use for that. For other function, you can do easily on Altrady.
Yeah,
Uh,
actually, it's your limit is only your imagination with LLMs because yeah, you can do a lot of different interesting stuff, things, and moreover, you even can you know like try to come up with some your ideas that maybe can help you, and Claude even can develop that for you. For
correct,
your
correct. For
trading.
example, let
So
me show you the crypto guy an example. Look at this. For example, on uh, Bitcoin. Why I don't have the uh, okay, I want to show you, for example, what I use Cloud for, which purpose, for which reason. I mean, of course, I'm on the 3 minutes time frame. For example, look at this. So you see, I just use LLM to help me read more uh, in a more clear and more structured way the Bitcoin price action. So you see, since like the last July, I have identified the demand zone here, some pivot level, the yellow rectangles. This is the POC lower, and this is the upper lower, and the supply zone. So look at this. The price just reached the supply zone perfectly with these two double tops, and then the price just drops and it breaks the first um, pivot level here, and then the POC lower here. So now we are trying to get some liquidity on these demand zones again. But this can help you to create a bot, a great bot between, let's say, this support here and this resistance here, and you can place some buy orders in this range and some sell orders in this range. So for example, in my case, uh, Claude helped me to analyze this area that uh, maybe for me it will took a while to do manually. I just asked Claude, and in 10 minutes I got this. So
okay, are
uh,
the purple arrows also real buy and sells? I think no. Yeah, it's just like showing
no,
the
no,
top
no,
and
no. This
bottom. Yeah,
is
of
yeah,
some
correct.
range.
This is not a buy order or sell order. This is just the reaction of the price with high volume on the demand and on the supply zone. So these two arrows help me to see that there is participation from traders on these levels. So here, traders are stepping in. I mean, buyers are stepping in to, let the price goes higher, and here they are just selling. So so far, this analysis is working. Of course, it's not forever. This is just temporary. So every 3 4 days or once per week, I remake the analysis using the same prompt to see what has changed. So where the buyers are stepping in and where the seller are stepping in. So the pivot level will change, of course, uh, up depends on the price moves. So I'm sure that right now the pivot levels are lower. But of course, it's an ongoing workflow that needs to keep updated every week or even every day.
Yeah, let's find some trades, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go to our TA scanner and let's see if we can find some short. Now I have to add the indicators again, but just give me a few seconds, guys, and let me update the chart with my favorite indicators. Okay, here we go. All right. So we have the BB reversion and the short scalping and the capitulation. So let's see. Let's see what do we have.
Yeah,
Mm,
collect.
collect 2
But yeah, I
millions.
saw what 3 minutes time frame. It was like red candle already.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you can see it here.
yeah.
Now it's
Actually, you
five
have
minutes.
high volume here. So actually, it's interesting
Yeah, let's
for
try.
a yeah, it's interesting for a short because we already have some big volume here. Let's put last. Take profit at the first sweep here, and stop loss above the volume peak. All
Yeah,
right.
I think you can remove that comment from screen.
Sorry.
Since I still see like this comment on screen. I think we answered
Oh,
that.
oh yeah, 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 yeah. I forgot it.
Yeah, Green Group does say sorry. We'll let you guys do some
Oh,
math.
no
Yeah,
problem. We are here to answer
yeah.
your doubts, your question, wherever you want. If you have
Of course.
any pair to share, guys, or if you want
Yeah,
to,
charts. Let's go.
yeah, if you want to share any trade with us, we'd be happy and glad to share on the screen. All right, let's lock our first short
Profit.
trade on this collect.
Oh, nice. Look,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
already
yeah, yeah.
almost 1%.
Nice reaction. Yeah, remember Dmytro, last session we ended up with a loss minus 2%. So
Yeah, I need to
let's try
recover that
to
definitely.
yeah, let's try today to make something good. Sorry, just drinking some
Some scalping doping.
guava juice.
Yeah, some scalping doping. You know.
Yeah. All right. Let's hunt. Let's hunt. Let's see if we can find other shorts or other longs. What is this light? 2.6 million. Not bad as price action, but it looks like a kind of reversion pattern here. I don't like this move. Let's see on the 5 minutes. Notifications. What do we have here? Okay, entry fill. Oh, Yeah, but there is no volume. Can you guys use for next session? Okay, Etsy because Binance. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, actually,
Doesn't.
I don't know why we're still using Binance futures. Yeah, we can do OKX
Yeah,
or
I mean
token.
because yeah, I still have set up this account for the streaming live, but yeah, it makes sense to switch to OKX.
Yeah, for the next
Uh,
one, definitely we'll do that.
yeah. All right, I want to try on this, Dimitro. What do you think? I'm not really
Mm, yeah,
convinced.
it's actually pretty same as we have with collect, but it's I mean opposite. Yeah, you can
Mhm.
see the RSI is dropping, and you almost have no volume in POC level. I mean, on that volume
Yeah,
profile. So yeah, probably.
yeah,
And I
I
see
know
that more
it's not a
European
good one.
countries are banning Binance. Yeah, that's true. That's correct. Binance is banned. Has been banned. And yeah, I don't know if they are doing something on that one or no. Binance.
Definitely they are. They will get some regulation because they cannot lose the European market for sure. So I think it's just a matter of time. And yeah, but for now, yeah, it's out of the market.
Yeah.
Okay, the price is already. Yeah, of course, Binance is the exchange with the highest liquidity,
Yeah.
but OKX is not bad. It's not bad. I mean, talking about liquidity, yeah, of course, it's lower, but doesn't affect your trade that much. I mean, of course, if you go to some really small and meme coin, you can get some struggle, but in general, I will say that it's fine. It's fine, and I mean, personally, I use Kraken, so we missed this trade, Dimitro. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah. I told you that probably it could be the good one, but it's okay.
We missed this. Uh that was good. That was good. This one is not good.
Collect is good or no? Do
No,
you-
no,
No.
we are on
Ah,
break even.
get him back.
So I don't like this candle. I don't like this candle. Let's see on. Ooh, what ugly as hell. This
Yeah.
Bula. Wait, let me go on the market cap. Oh wow. Uh, I mean, I'm really like quite excited to try this short.
Yeah.
Don't do that at home, guys. This is mm, not a good chart to trade.
As Rafa said, it's conservative trading.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, so if I was in like my personal real account, I will never do this trade. But this is 1 hour scalping entertainment. So we must do something that is exciting for us and for you guys. So let's give a try on this chart.
Yeah. Do you have presets for trading Altrady? Personally, I have. Yeah, I have some, and it's actually very convenient.
What kind
Rafa, do
of
you have
presets?
what do you mean? What kind of I mean, just like some presets on the chart. I mean,
No, no, I mean, crypto guy. What do you mean? Which
ah,
presets? About like which things? Like preset on chart, preset on orders, preset on bots, preset on strategies. I mean,
like
ah,
for this session.
no, I
Yeah, we
just
just
go by my
it's
instinct.
yeah, it's always like for scalping. I believe it's always like more manual because, for example, for if you have some strategies such as like a day trade or something like that, you can have your preset, for example, like with saved configuration, like I don't know, like take profit, like 1 or 2%, stop loss, same like -1%, so it's more easily. But for scalping, I think presets, yeah, it's not that convenient.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. So personally, I always risk 1% of the balance per trade. So as you can see here, I enter with 1% of my balance. Here as well, and yeah, here I don't know why I pinned this chart. And usually I look at the volume to set the stop loss and the take profit. So let's say, for example, on this chart that is going very bad, um, my take profit is on the POC level, and my stop loss is basically outside this top, because my idea is that since the price have risen already by like 8%, uh, once the buyers are tired and there are not buyers anymore to push the price higher, the price has to reach liquidity zone to get some new buyers. So the first landed area is the POC level. So the price maybe could do like this move, stands here for a while, and then go higher again. So there is like, it's not a preset. It's just how I read the market
Good,
for
good drawing
scalping.
skills.
Yeah, yeah, and uh, we use the strategies on TA scanner, the BB reversion, the QS capitulations, short scalping, and then you just by your risk management, your attitude, your behavior, you decide how to act. So it's really personal, because maybe a method or some approach could work for me but couldn't work for you. So that's why trading is not a science. Trading is an art. So it's
Yeah.
personal. Something that worked for me doesn't work for Dmytro, doesn't work for Ben, and something that maybe worked for Dmytro for me doesn't work. So trading is an art, and you have to find your own method, your own strategy, your own path. Of course, there are some patterns and some preset that in general work, but you have to customize for uh, your personal use. Okay, let's see if we can uh, get a sign
Oh,
here.
collect,
No,
collect. I can see very bad. It's stop.
really, really, we are out
Mm-mm. No, very close.
almost. Yeah, this is not a good move, but the RSI is not going higher as the price. Okay, let's find something more. Mm-mm-mm. everyone has his own strategy. Yeah, correct. I mean, the market works in this way because if everyone has the same strategy, the market will not move. I mean, uh, if I'm buying some asset, it's because someone else is selling to me. If everyone is buying at the same price, there are no sellers. That means that the price doesn't move, and the market is not going anywhere. So it's a battle between different methods and different strategies. So you win because your strategy is better than someone else's strategy. So that's why it's an art. It's not a science. Because if it
Yeah.
was a science, you can do just by numbers, reading numbers, and everyone use the same thing. But if you do that, it doesn't work. That's why it's an art.
Yeah, someone
Uh,
has crazy strategy, someone conservative one, yeah. So it's always different.
yeah. Always remember, guys, that if you buy something, it's because there is someone that is selling you. Could be another trader, could be market maker, could be broker, because market maker, like the big broker, out the market, I don't know, interactive broker, eToro, the Giro, whatever, they are market makers, so they provide the liquidity. They are the one who buy or sell for you, but they have to respect some rules, of course. So every time you buy, there is someone who sells, and the opposite. Uh, Robo, 5 minutes.
Okay, so yeah, collect is really close to stop loss, which is
Yeah,
bad. It started
let's.
that good, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see on maybe 1 hour better. Oh wow, wow, very nice price action. Very nice. Look at this. Very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. So technical, so clean. There is a high probability to get liquidated, but also there is high probability to reach a top around here and go back again and then go higher. Let me see what do we have on the Explorer. Uh, Funable. Strong buy, strong buy.
Okay, we got a question, another one from Green Crypto Guy. Just a short question, and you don't need to answer. Yeah, are you guys leaving off trading or not? So yeah, I mean, yeah, of course we are working here, yeah, but still, it's definitely part of our life. And yeah, I don't know, Rafa, what about you? But yeah, I'm trading, yeah, regularly actually.
Yeah. I mean, okay. Look. Green crypto guy. I have no problem to share you my personal experience about trading, because I think it helps people, and it's good to like share uh, trading lives with others. So I have been trading for like 10 years. The first 3 4 years, I lost an incredible amount of money, like all my saving. So I was almost, close to quit. And the first 3 4 years, I trade everything. I trade forex, index, stocks, commodities, crypto, and I used the wrong mindset, and I followed the wrong person. So I just want to make money every day, every week, every month, So I used too much leverage, and I didn't consider the big picture of trading. So I lost really like all my savings. So I restarted from zero. And after a while, maybe I will say like 3 years, I found my personal way to do trading. And I tell you, I'm making money, but not every day, not every week, not every month. Some year I don't earn anything, but other years I earn a lot. So the thing is that if you want to live just doing trading, you need to be aware that some year you don't get anything. Because if you want to get every month a kind of like salary, I'm pretty sure you're gonna burn your account. Or you are like really, really in depth, like a professional trader. You have many professional tools, and you like use, for example, Altrady in a very professional way, but you still have some risk. So I suggest like split your account into portfolios, and you use one like with a big amount to do a conservative trading, and don't expect to get revenue every month, and a smaller account to you know try to be more risky with like high leverage, or not, I mean, not high leverage, but try to push your limits over and try to earn every week or every month using, for example, uh, some like very risky bots, or even doing scalping or stuff like that. So that is like my personal life. um, I use different portfolios for different methods. So my personal and biggest one is based on a year trade. So I trade, you know, based on what I see year by year and trend by trend. Another one, I use it mostly as swing trading. So I try to catch the swing. And the smallest one, like just some thousand of dollars, I use it for my like personal FOMO, to trade every day, and doing like scalping, doing also test new strategy. But from that account, I just earn some small money. That is not enough for living. I'm not sure if I was clear enough.
Yeah, I see it pretty clear.
um, so yeah, I mean, it's a very long process, guys. If you want
Yeah.
to be a professional trader, it takes year. Don't listen someone that say just some weeks, some month. That's why we're gonna have tutoring service and like a mentorship soon, because it's a long, long way. You need to have someone with strong experience to teach you what is wrong, what is right, and then you have to test it by yourself. You have to try it with a paper account, then go to real, then use a small amount, then you increase it month by month. So it's a very, very, very long way. I will say it takes at least 2 3 years to
Yeah.
understand the market. And the thing is that the market is changing every day. So for example, what I have learned 1 year ago, now it's useless, because the market has changed. So you have to be uh, uh, being in like a scholarship mode for the rest of your life. Uh, I lost. I lost the comment. Let me read it. My
Tutoring,
account.
yeah, this comment, and yeah, let's read this one first.
That's a good strategy. That's a
Yeah.
wise and good strategy. So yeah.
And we have comment from Josele, tutoring, yes, please. So I don't know, we already launched? No, not yet, yeah? Coaching
No,
session.
no, not yet. We are working on that.
Yeah, and
Just give us,
stay tuned. Yeah,
yeah,
soon
stay
we're
tuned.
gonna
Just give
have
us
really
more time.
great and big, um yeah, coaching session, and you will be able to have that. But yeah, let's wait some.
As an intensive care nurse in the Netherlands, I really like to invest my free time to learn trading and investing, pure to secure my pension, but also to help my two kids. Yeah, yeah. This is the right approach and mindset. So I'm pretty sure the green crypto guy, you're gonna be successful. So there is uh, there is a good comment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will say that the base the base for everyone is to use DCA investment. For example, every month, every 2 months, you can buy a small amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or like some coin that you really like and you really understand the value and the project behind. Every month, you just buy it at any price, and you use DCA that over the time it runs and it will perform. On the other hand, on the other side, if you want to be more uh, active and if you want to trade, you can just allocate a small amount, let's say some thousand, maybe you have some saving, 1 2 thousand, to a small portfolio, and then you start to test some new strategy or some new method. For example, uh, creating some bot, or just doing swing trading, or smart money, using smart money concept, or using TA scanner and test the strategies that we have on the scanner. And you risk a very very small amount, let's say 1 to 2%, not more. So here the purpose is not to make money. Here the purpose is to test yourself, test your strategy, test the market, and see what works and what doesn't work. And then after some month, let's say maybe after some years, you get to know much better who you are and how the market moves. So then you can increase your balance, and then you can customize and perform your strategy, maybe using some cool indicators, some, I don't know, whatever. On Altrady, you can do many things. You can use many strategies. You can use different methods. You can do scalping. You can use bot. You can use grid bot. You can use the smart money indicator. You can use the scanner to find and to find out uh, high potential um trades. You can use cloud code codex to analyze in depth the chart to see how the demand and supply work, how the absorption and exhaustion zone works, how the order flow is placed, uh, whatever. So it's up to you guys. Just need to have the right mindset and need to know that to be a trader, it takes time. You have to sacrifice something to get something back. And you have to learn, study every day. That's why we are here.
Yeah, it's more like learning session today,
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
We
Ah,
only
we're
made one
out.
trade and we are out. So whatever we
Yeah.
say, it's.
It's
You
okay,
see,
yeah.
guys, the trade is there is no 100% sure in. I mean, certain in trading. But on here, I want to keep try one more short.
Yeah, look at this question because I actually don't know the clear answer on that one.
For example, here, guys, we are out. We got liquidated, but I still believe that this this chart has high probability to go down. So here is another things. When I place a trade, I consider the probabilities because market works in by probabilities. So we have to give another try on this. Uh, we oh here we got a sign here. Yeah, I didn't notice. Bula. Yeah. Okay. uh,
This chart is very
what?
weird still.
Sorry, I didn't hear you well, Dimitro. What you say?
Yeah, I said that this chart is still very weird. I mean, looking very weird.
Yeah,
Interesting.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, look at this candle. Look at this.
Yeah, and actually RSI look, like that chart in reanimation in hospital, like
Yeah.
uh, of heart, of heartbeat.
Let me kill these windows. Um, okay, we are in already again on collect. Uh, no, my position. I close the position. By the way, oh no, this one was not from the last week. Oh, sorry, guys. I closed the I closed the trade on collect.
It was stop loss, no?
Um, okay, let me. No, no, no. Oh, it's still here. It's still here. See here, right? Yeah. I don't know why I cancel it, but yeah. Uh, Still open. Mm, mm,
Okay.
okay, let's keep it like that. Um, okay. By the way, look like my last close from the end of July till now. So there is balance between the green numbers and the red numbers, right? But you can see I cut my loss and I let run my profits. So overall, the P&L in green, the percentage is much bigger compared to the P&L in loss.
Yeah.
Uh, Sorry, I miss a comment. It's
Yeah, I
possible.
asked you about that. Yeah, because I don't know
Uh,
actually answer to this one.
it's also possible to set up the grid bot so it pays out 50% in Bitcoin and 50% in euro. This is where I can grow my big holding while also increasing my. Uh, no, it's not possible. It's not possible. Uh, if you make a bot on, let's say, Bitcoin USDT, it's impossible to get like 50% in euro. Bitcoin is traded against the USDT. I mean, if you want, there is no Bitcoin against euro. Let me see. There is no Bitcoin against euro. Oh yeah, it's. Oh yeah, yeah, but it's not possible to split it like 50% Bitcoin, 50% euro.
On
Also on
Bitwavo it
Binance. Yeah, yeah,
is.
yeah.
Yeah.
Bitbavo. Let's see on OKX. Okay, okay. Um,
Okay, so okay, we have only one trade open now, yeah?
we have two.
Oh, two.
Actually, so here uh, you can fund the bot between euro and Bitcoin, but I don't know if like it's possible to get pay 50% in Bitcoin and 50% in euro. We have to ask Ben because I don't want to give you the wrong answer, crypto guy.
Yeah.
I have
Next
never.
week Ben will be here definitely, so yeah.
Yeah, I have never tried to split like 50% in Bitcoin and 50% in like the fiat. Uh, yeah, yeah, because I mean, personally, I would say that it's not possible, but I'm not sure, so I don't want
Yeah, need
to
to really ask
confuse.
Ben.
Yeah, 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 uh, yeah, for sure. Um, okay, let's see how it's going on here. Okay,
Yeah, let's go guys.
Dimitro, you have to go, right?
Yeah,
Because you have like
yes, I have some
leave.
things. Yeah, need
Okay,
to go.
yeah, I will stay here maybe 5 more minutes to
Okay,
see
to
where the
close
price
this.
goes.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Because yeah, I can
So
see collect this maybe we'll close in small profit, yeah.
yeah,
But
let's see,
we don't know.
let's
Okay,
see.
yeah.
Maybe yeah. If you have to go, just go. I stay 5 more minutes. See if we can reach some good exit level or not.
Yeah, I hope so. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks Green Crypto guy. Yeah. See you next week. And yeah, see you tomorrow actually. Yeah, we
See you
have
tomorrow. Yeah.
yeah,
Thanks,
of course
Dimitro.
we
See
have
you
a webinar.
tomorrow.
Yeah, see you.
All right, guys. Let's stay here for more 10 minutes. See if we can close our open trades. This will be a nice new option for the grid bot. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, if it helps you, why not? Personally, I just like get paid on the against currency, and then if I want to switch it to euro or other currency, I do like in separately another way. But yeah, let me ask Bennen next week with me here again and clarify this question. Yeah, make some money. Yeah, we are trying, but I did bad trades today. I did very bad trades. So I think it's gonna be another session in loss. But as I show you guys, the last close position since July, if you take a look at the PNL, basically is green, is in profit. So in 1 hour, it's very hard to close the live stream with profits because it's only 1 hour. So you have 50% and 50% of probability to do both. So it takes more time. Takes more time to make money. Here is, just a good hour to let you know how the ETA scanner works and how to use it and how I use it and how to combine it with some indicators. Just give me a sip. And yeah, we have also the new function, tools function here. So you can build straight on the terminal a grid bot, a signal bot, or a DCA bot position. It's quite helpful to not let you scroll around the platform and going on the other page and create another bot. You can just do it straight from the sidebar here and make your own bots. If you are looking, analyzing some chart and you find some interesting training range, some sideways like here on Bitcoin, Euro, just make a grid bot set up manually. Let's say 1,000 stop loss. 54, 60, trailing up, trailing down, and then you create it. So it's a good way. Okay, guys. This coin really hates us. Look at this big divergence. Big divergence. Also, volume has dropped. The price is still rising, but there is a leg down that is coming soon. Bulla. Same, but no volume on profile. Isn't better to view the 50 million 1 hour before to enter? Yeah, totally agree. Yeah, the thing is that crypto guy, in 1 hour here, the 50 minutes and 1 hour is impossible to be used. So that's why I moved to the 5 minutes and 3 minutes. But personally, I don't go under 50 minutes. Never. Even if when I do scalping personally, I just analyze 50 minutes for the entry, for the timing, and usually for the short term, I only use 1 hour or 4 hours. So you are right. You are right. Again, guys, here is entertainment session. In reality, is a bit different, and in 1 hour you cannot do scalping. You have at least to take 3 4 hours to make like a good scalping app. Uh, Made some with the great boss and yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Uh, Great bot Ethereum USDT. It's running 38 days. PNL 5.46%. If I want to create a new one, let's go to Gridbot, choose manually Bitcoin USDT. Let's go to 4 hours chart. Let's see the price action, how it looks. Guys, from June, the price has been stuck between this support and this resistance. There is no direction. So let's set up a grid bot here. Look, I just can use AI to autofill. Let's put like 5 orders. Take profit here. So upper price, let's decide to take this price level as our upper price, and lower price 54. No, how much is it? 59. All right. Maybe 10 orders because 5 is too less. All right, guys. This for me, it's already a great bot that could perform well in the next weeks. How much it takes? How long it takes? 3 minutes, 4 minutes to make it? You also can trailing up, you can trailing down, you can scale it. But here on this configuration, I'm quite confident that if I confirm it and I let it run, the next weeks I can make some interesting PNL, because the price is not going anywhere in this period, guys. We are in August, it's summer, volume is very low, there is no direction, price is stuck between these two levels, and you can ask your cloud code or your codex to analyze the order flow, the price action, to identify some demand and some supplies, to see if the price has reason to be stuck in this range. I do believe there is reason now to use a grid bot, because it's very hard to be directional these days on Bitcoin. So a good way is using gridbot, and I'm doing that on Ethereum. On Bitcoin, I have another account that is not connected here on this login. But yeah, this is guys, this is Okay, I think we are 1 hours. Yeah, those are really nice percent. Yeah, I think 6% for a low risk in 38 days is not bad. I remember that the market is not going anywhere. So yeah, yeah. Thanks. Thanks, crypto guy. Too many compliments. Appreciate it. Yeah, but we are trying our best to offer you the best platform ever, and is one stop platform. Everything is placed here. You can do, again. I keep repeating myself. You can do whatever here. Swing trading. You can use smart indicator to analyze the fair value gap, the order blocks, the BSL, the TSL, and also it highlights you the swing high and the swing low. So if you are a more conservative trader and you like to catch the swing of the chart, you can do that easily by using the smart indicator. Or if you want, you can also ask Cloud Code and Codex to analyze the chart for you as a swing trader. If you just want to, accumulate, put money with some DCA strategy, you can do that quite easily. We have multi-exchange portfolio supported. You can just go to the tools icon here and select the DCA position. It's automated. So here also you can create your own DCA strategy. If you are more risky and if you like to do trading every day, TA scanner is here for this reason. You can create your own strategy based on more than 100 indicators. Start from scratch, different rules, exchange, time frame, whatever you want. Or if you are too lazy, you just can you just can select some quick templates from our list. For example, right now we are using the BB reversion, the QS capitulation, and the short scalping. That is a strategy that I have made. If you want to automate your trade, go to bots. Here we have a backtest list. You just can select the one you like the most, or you can go to our community, explore, and we have several signal bots here run by the crypto-based scanner, the best traders, and other traders, other developers. You can see here we have Geronimo that he's running his BBVO Euro Signal bot, PNL 50% the last 2 years. That's good. The TBT from Aeron 77% the last 22 months, and so on. Very long. You can create your grid bot. Guys, I don't know what you need more. Here there is everything you need. Okay, let's have the final look at our trades. So I'm sorry, but today was a bad session. I will try to manage the open positions. I think still have some chance to go down and collect. Oh, nice move, nice reaction. Collect something is developing. So I'm gonna wait the price here for collect. All right. Thanks, guys. Yeah, thank you, Josele. And yeah, thanks, Crypto Guy, for the stream. Yeah. Nice. I always like to share uh, my personal stuff and whatever you want, guys. I'm totally open because I mean we are traders, so I know that it's the hardest life. We have chosen the hardest life, so we must be supportive because out there there are wolves, and they are using very powerful tools, and I mean they have insiders, and everyone knows. So, uh, but time has changed. Now retail traders, they have more power and they are in power, and they control the market now. They have like 30-40% of the control out of the market. So we can do uh, our best. We can draw our fate. So thanks everyone. Mo, you just getting in? Yes, sorry, but we started an hour earlier today because Dimitro was busy. Uh, so it's only for today. Next week, Ben will be back. So guys, all of you join because Ben will be here after a long vacation. So he will run the stream and see you again. Yeah, the journal is gonna be released next week. So stay tuned, guys. This is another huge update on the platform, and it will help you a lot, I'm sure, because if you have a nice journal that track all your operation, it makes even nice to look at what you are doing and how your portfolio is performing. So wait for that, and see you soon. So thanks everyone. Bye bye. Have a good afternoon, a good trade, and see you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye traders. Enjoy your trade. See you. Ciao.